In today's video, we are going to show you several proven methods to fix a headset mic that's echoing game audio in Windows, which can be frustrating during online gaming, streaming, or voice chats. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to check your headset connections. If you're using a wired headset, unplug it and plug it back securely. Make sure the headset is connected to the correct audio and microphone ports. Now, if you're using a USB headset, try a different USB port. For wireless headsets, disconnect and reconnect the device. Once you've reconnected the headset, test your microphone to see if the issue is resolved. And you want to make sure to set the correct default devices. Incorrect audio settings can cause your microphone to capture sounds, so I want you to right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, select sound settings, and then of course you want to make sure to, under the output section, choose your headset speakers. Under input, select your headset microphone. Make sure Windows isn't using another microphone or audio device by mistake. After making the changes, test your microphone again. Now, you can also try to adjust the Discord, Xbox, or voice chat settings. If the problem only happens in a specific application, I want you to open your voice chat app, verify that the correct microphone is selected. Disable any unnecessary noise suppression or audio routing features. Restart the application after making changes, because many echo problems are caused by incorrect in-app audio settings. And then you want to make sure to update your audio drivers. Remember, outdated audio drivers can sometimes cause microphone issues. So right-click the Start button, open the Device Manager, expand inputs and outputs, right-click your microphone and select the Update driver. Repeat the process for your audio device. After updating, try to restart your computer to see if that works. And of course, you can also try to disable any audio enhancement. Now, let me tell you this. Some audio enhancements can cause unwanted audio writing. So open sound settings and then select your microphone, click properties, and then find the audio enhancements or enhancements. I want you to disable all of the enhancements, save the changes, and test your microphone to see if that works. And also, do not forget to lower the headset volume. If your headset volume is extremely high, sound can leak from the speakers into the microphone. So I want you to lower your headset volume slightly, move the microphone closer to your mouth. If possible, enable noise cancellation on your headset. This simple adjustment often helps reduce audio bleed. Basically, that's how to fix a headset microphone that is echoing game audio. In most cases, the issue is caused by incorrect headset setting, stereo mix being enabled, audio enhancements, or outdated drivers. So try each method one by one until the problem is resolved. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.